This is a treat. I'm really nervous. I like bitterballen, some bitterballen, but these are vegan. Learn from my mistakes. This is the most Dutch food festival we could have. The rain, the wind, it's just the way it is. Hey travel lovers, welcome to A Wanderlust for Life. I'm Jessica, and this is the channel that shows you European gems through food and memorable experiences. We are back here in the city that we live and love in Amsterdam, and we're gonna show you the food truck festival known as Rollende Keukens. Right behind me, happens every single year. We're gonna go dig in and just see what kind of goodies we can get into. Let's go. Our first spot is right inside the front gate today. It's called Meet Jack, and they make different Dutch favorites from jackfruit, which I've never had before. We spoke with one of the owners, so nice. Everybody here is super nice. I'm really nervous. I like bitterballen, some bitterballen, but these are vegan, and we're trying to see if they taste the same as regular bitterballen. And I don't eat it with mayo normally, but they have sriracha mayo here. Whoa. Okay, once you get the texture of the jackfruit, you can definitely tell like it's not regular bitterballen. The flavor's all there. It's a little softer, I'd say, than regular bitterballen. That's really cool. And if you don't know what a jackfruit is, this thing is a jackfruit. It looks very odd, and a lot of it looks like a durian. All this is really cool though. A good start, for sure. Our next stop is here at Maddies BBQ, and they're doing Dutch cheesesteak. And Sean is from near Philadelphia, so we have to try it. I'm not the biggest fan of cheesesteaks, but he thinks I'm gonna really love it. We're gonna dig in. Okay. That meat is absolutely amazing. Like the perfect texture. What's going on? The weather is so bad here right now. All the sauces and everything really come together. You can kind of get the taste that it's a Dutch cheesesteak because there's like Dutch flavors in here. But I have to say, this is another win, and there's over 100 food trucks here, or at least 100 things to eat here, so I don't know how many we're gonna get through, but we have a cheesesteak to eat. So we found a line. There's not a lot of lines around here today because the weather's awful, but we're here for Jen's Bing, and she used to be a food truck in the 10 Kattenmarkt market, and now she has an actual shop, and I've heard such good things. I tried her years and years ago, but it's been a long time, so we're gonna get some now. I feel like I should apologize for my hair, but like I feel like this is just life. This is the most Dutch food festival we could have. The rain, the wind, it's just the way it is. So deal with it. That's what you get out of that. So we are having Taiwanese fried chicken. So Jen's Bing is Taiwanese. They have bubble tea and things like that. But we're gonna try the chicken. You can really get like every kind of cuisine here. It's really cool. Oh, have I even told you where we are? We are in Westergasfabriek, which is by Wester Park. There are lots of transit options to get here. So now let's try it. Oh yeah. Super juicy, tender, crispy. I've had something similar before, but I can't think of what actually is in it. But this is a treat. I'm so hungry though. You need to go to more places. That's so funny. They kept emptying the caramel sauce. So I had to get pulpertjes because any festival market that they have pulpertjes, I have to get them. They're mini Dutch pancakes, very fluffy. Normally they just come covered in butter and sugar. I got a special one with pears, caramel sauce, and whipped cream. Should have just gotten the covered with sugar one because this is a bit much, to be perfectly honest. There's always a surcharge at festivals like this. Normally you can get these like a regular serving for like $3.50, and here it was $6.50. So just keep that in mind, especially if you're local and you weren't expecting to pay that price. But I'm really excited to try pear. I just dropped a pear. Pear and caramel. Oh my gosh. The wind and powdered sugar. This is not a good idea. Sean backs away. Just get the regular. It's not even worth the extra €2. I mean, they're just so good on their own. Just get the regular poverches, okay? Learn from my mistakes. Trudys Kitchen, and we've had this stuff before, and I'm very excited to share it with you. So, very unique flavors going on here. We have chicken and waffles, we have balsamic blueberry with honey and goat cheese, and then we have sage and brown butter. Cookie dough. But I really like the chicken and waffles. They all look so unassuming. Also, they have a rosé, which is phenomenal. Oh, I feel like I just look like a crazy person right now. Oh well. Oh man. Sweet and salty going in there. So it's like chicken cracklings. So you get like the proper crunch in there. It's so interesting. The balsamic, she just let me try. It does have more of a balsamic taste to it, so it's not my favorite. And the sage and brown butter, like again with the savory and the sweet, whereas like this is more salty sweet, the chicken and waffles, and that's more savory and sweet. I know, such a cool concept. It started absolutely pouring, so I didn't get to say thank you so much for watching. If you have a food festival where you live, can you let us know down in the comments, because maybe we'll come and pop by for a visit. But as always, I appreciate you so much. If you aren't already subscribed, please go ahead and do that. I will see you in the next video.